Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of an old coffee can. So what you are going to need for this project is your coffee can, a can opener, colorful duct tape, scissors, and string, and glue, and birdseed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your can is clean of all the coffee remnants and take the label off. And we're going to be covering it with duct tape, so it's okay if there's still a little bit of the label left. The next part is a little bit tricky, and you might want to ask a grown-up to help you. You will need your can opener, and you are going to remove the bottom of the can with the can opener. So I would definitely have a grown-up help because it is not as easy as opening a regular can. It's taking me a little bit. This is definitely the hardest part. My can opener is also not the greatest. Okay, so once you have removed the bottom of the can, it will look like this. You can see through it. The next thing you're going to want to do is decorate your can with your duct tape. If you don't have duct tape, you can always just leave it the way that it is, or you can paint it. Whatever you want to do. It's your bird feeder. So I'm just putting the duct tape on. Couple more strips of duct tape should do it. All right, one more strip. All right, so my coffee can is all covered in duct tape. The next step is to take the lid of the coffee can and you're going to cut it in half. You may also want a grown-up to help you with this too. So now you'll have 2 pieces. After your lid is cut in half, you're going to want to put glue right in this little ridge of each side. So I'm going to put some of my adhesive glue. On one of the sides. Okay. And then put it on one of the ends of your coffee can. Like this. Right? You're going to do the same thing with the other side. With the other side of the lid. All right. So once you have both of those glued on, it should look like this. Right? These are what's gonna keep the bird seed inside of the bird feeder. Okay. You'll want to let those dry for a little bit, but the next thing you'll do is cut a long piece of string. Have a long piece of string. And I'm going to wrap it around the coffee can a couple of times just to make sure that it's secure so it doesn't fall out of the tree. All right. That should do it. And then just tie a knot on the top. So this is what you'll have. The last thing is that you will just fill it up with birdseed. So you just put birdseed right inside. Make sure you don't fill it up past the lids or else it will all spill out. And then once it is full of birdseed, you can hang it outside on a tree. Share any pictures you take of birds enjoying your bird feeder, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you and have a good day.